Right now, practically every enterprise software company is rushing to advertise AI features. Under the hood of most Western accounting platforms, you won't find native AI. Instead, you'll find a passive chatbot bolted onto an outdated historical database. Because these external AI wrappers aren't actually part of the core software, they have to scrape your old records through an API connection just to generate an answer. Pulling data this way creates a massive latency problem. By the time the AI reads your financial history and formats an insight, the physical reality of your operations has already moved on. Furthermore, constantly exposing your highly sensitive ledger to an external scraping tool creates entirely new security vulnerabilities. You cannot achieve genuine financial intelligence with a passive plugin. The foundational data it relies on is inherently delayed and insecure. APS Accounting and Stock Control takes a completely different approach. They abandon the bolt-on model entirely. In an active ledger architecture, AI is hardwired directly into the core framework. It features 3 tiers: a foundational data layer, a processing logic layer, and a presentation layer. They execute simultaneously, meaning zero delay between physical actions and the financial ledger. This continuous flow architecture is designed to accommodate the disparate compliance mandates of jurisdictions like the USA, the UK, Germany, and Spain. To get financial answers a director can trust, the artificial intelligence must be built into the native, continuous flow of the data. Let's start at the foundation, the data layer. This is the sole entry point for all raw operations. For the system to maintain accuracy without lag, external financial documents and physical actions must enter the architecture here without friction. To handle this ingestion, APS uses a snap and post receipt scanner. A user photographs a physical receipt, and the AI instantly extracts the vendor details, transaction dates, and individual line items. This precise extraction links the raw data straight into the ledger, completely bypassing manual data entry. The system also features a continuous voice input protocol, instantly transforming spoken human commands into structured ledger data. By speaking the wake word APS, a user can navigate the system menus or dictate a complete ledger entry entirely hands-free. Automating how information is gathered eliminates human typing errors and data entry lag before a transaction even has a chance to reach the permanent record. Once that raw data is inside, it moves up into the business logic layer, the active core of the ERP. This is where raw information is categorized, analyzed, and rigorously enforced against compliance rules. The primary mechanism operating within this tier is the AI Chart of Accounts Auto Builder. A user describes a new business expense in plain language, and the system interprets their core intent. As this logic mapping shows, the AI then automatically generates the correct account type, assigns the numerical code, and places it precisely within the financial hierarchy. Hardwiring categorization logic directly into the data stream ensures financial structures remain organized and compliant without requiring constant manual intervention from a CPA. This timeline illustrates the 90-day AI cash flow forecast. The system reads 12 months of ledger data to project expected inflows, outflows, and net cash positions. These models aren't static. They recalculate on the fly based on incoming data. This real-time calculation uniquely accounts for specific, complex regional compliance mandates. It continuously factors in statutory liabilities, like FICA in the US, PAYE in the United Kingdom, or specific tax brackets in Germany. This dynamic, native modeling completely eliminates the need for error-prone, external spreadsheet forecasting. Knowing exact cash and tax liability positions 3 months out allows finance directors to stop reacting to historical reports and confidently adjust tactical operations for the coming quarter. All of this processed logic finally surfaces in the top tier, the secure presentation layer. This is the secure command center where human users actually view and interact with the finalized system data. Here we find the AI report builder, which is hardwired directly to the verified logic layer below. A user can ask a multivariable question in natural language and receive verified insights in seconds. These reports are based entirely on the mathematical reality of the ledger, not scraped summaries. Because modern enterprise teams are global, this architecture processes all data bilingually underneath the surface. A single input automatically populates dual records, one in English, the other in Arabic. This allows multinational teams to share the exact same database without duplicating the underlying numerical data. Connecting a natural language interface directly to a mathematically verified bilingual core delivers immediate intelligence to global teams. Because an ERP system holds a company's most highly sensitive information, this deep architectural access requires strict compartmentalization. This interface schematic demonstrates menu security, where administrators visually configure the environment to customize exactly what each user can see. This protocol physically hides sensitive modules from unauthorized employee screens. When you need to bring in external parties, like third-party auditors, you use Shared Workspace Access Control. This external access is tightly governed by an automatic expiration protocol. When the designated time is up, the system physically severs their database connection. There are no forgotten passwords or lingering vulnerabilities left behind. True financial intelligence must be physically siloed, ensuring that deep architectural access never compromises your enterprise security perimeters. We are leaving behind the inefficient model of passive scraping AI and moving to the fully integrated APS Active Ledger architecture. It functions as a secure, zero-latency intelligence engine designed to protect the mathematical integrity of your records while providing the clarity needed to manage a global operation.